Using the swim spa and jacuzzi over at Fabulous Rockcreek is fairly easy. It's pretty much preset, but if you want to adjust the temperature, here's the lid. You can open up the spa and jacuzzi and you get the full control panel right here. As you can see with the full control panel, you have the light, you have the different pumps, the jets, okay? Those are the on-offs, and you have the temperature setting. Please note that it takes, almost 24 hours to heat it up. So don't expect if you change the temperature to 102 from 73 that in 10 minutes it's going to be 103. It's going to take a number of hours. Most guests like to have it more as a pool because it's so hot here in Temecula than a spa. If you have any questions on the use of this, you can call us at 1-866-322-5487 or you can email us at info@calivrbo.com.